I really should have dropped this video yesterday on Tuesday. I didn't. And by the time you'll see it, it might be Thursday, but it's okay because you can utilize these techniques during any sneaker release. Honestly, you don't really have to be for the Bugs Bunny 8's, but shout out to everybody who was able to cop on these Gammas. I know we're all waiting on restock. Rumor had it that it was going to be a restock today on the 17th. I've been working all day. I was up in Colorado Springs working. However, I don't think none of that stuff happened. I really got to catch up. So, look, we normally do get restocks on the holiday 11th, so just be patient. It comes whenever it comes. Now, how to cop kicks using points, putting in reservations, putting in that leg work or that footwork, right? Real quick, if you're looking at the Bugs Bunny 8's, now look, they might sit. They might not move the way they move like the Gammas or whatever the case is. I honestly don't know, but you want to be smart, right? Prepare. I call it like insurance. So look, you can get on the sneakers app. You can go for the sneakers release on Saturday. EA already dropped for JD Sports, I believe yesterday, or was it today? Today was like the ship to me option, you know, or you can go to Shoe Palace, and every Tuesday, I mentioned this in the last video, every Tuesday, Shoe Palace will do a reservation. Check out this video right here. I'm gonna show y'all how to put in a reservation at Shoe Palace, just in case if anyone's wondering. Let me know what you think. Let go. All right, check. So number one, the speed limit is 75 miles an hour, so we're not even gonna go there. We're gonna pretend like I did stop at that stop sign, even though I didn't. All right, so this is Park Meadows Mall, a mall that I just like to go to whenever it comes to Shoe Palace and JD and stuff like that. Even DSG, I enter for spots here as well. Very clean mall. I just figured, you know, I love Christmas time. All right, I love Christmas time. All right, nice scenery and stuff like that here. All right, we're gonna make our way into Shoe Palace. Now, when you go into Shoe Palace, it's actually very simple. Normally, they have a paper on the wall, on the glass, that says they have a reservation for that shoe. Today, they didn't have it. I told them, they said they're gonna put it up. The guy gives you a ticket, or the girl, whoever's working. You tell them you're here for the reservation. You write your name, your phone number, and your shoe size. They go ahead, pop it into the box. He gave a little tap, and there it is. Ooh, wee. All right, listen, y'all can tell I'm tired. Cause look, I made a mistake. So look, I'm gonna correct myself. I stand corrected. I called it a reservation with Shoe Palace. It is not a reservation. This right here is a raffle. It's a raffle. It's my bad on y'all. I done said the wrong thing, so I gotta make it right. This right here is a raffle. A reservation will be like DSG. Oh man, what? Look, DSG is a draw. All right, Shoe Palace is a raffle. I worked 10 hours today. All right, let me start there. Let's rewind. Let's rewind and bring it back. I worked 10 hours today. All right, scratch that. DSG, we're gonna get it right. DSG is a draw. Shoe Palace is a raffle. JD Sports is a reservation. When you get that EA, and whether it's a couple of points or 0 points, whatever the case is, that right there is reservation. That means you got the shoe on reservation. My fault on that. A little bit of mercy. Anyway, comment down below. Let me know your strategy. Let me know if you have any type of tips or tricks or whatever the case is. Share it with the community, man. Show some love to everybody. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. And it's always love on this end. And also let me know, are you going for these Bugs Bunny 8's? I'll holler at y'all. We out.